Hi, here with me I have a medical first aid kit. The pack, it comes in the color blue, but it comes in other colors as well. It is protected with a stiff yet soft cover protecting the insides from any elements or wear or tear that might come its way. You just open it with a zipper and then it reveals a very compacted survival first aid materials. You have some plastic pinchers, several packets of sterile gauze swabs, some additional PBT bandages that are in a plastic cover to protect it to keep it sterilized and protect it from any elements. You also have just some plastic wrappage as well, held together with a plastic rubber band, medical tape, all contained in plastic, several safety pins, burnt dressing. Here you have some scissors. They're grooved at the ends here and have a plastic tip so it won't go breaking on you. It is very sturdy, slightly bendable, but won't go breaking on you. An instant ice pack that when you shake it, so you shake it to the bottom and then squeeze down on top using both hands, like so. And then automatically it starts. I didn't do it properly, but even I can feel some of the insides getting cold. And then here you have some swabs, bandages, and various other wipes and cleaning materials. Again, it's all just so neatly packed. You get all of this stuff all condensed into this little tiny pack here. It also has some netting so you can keep that in there and keep them secure as well. All right, this was given to us as a sample. Thank you. Bye.